7 foods that clean arteries naturally. Your arteries are the lifelines of your body. It carries vital oxygen and nutrients to every cell, but what happens when these lifelines get clogged with a traffic jam of plaque? This sticky buildup, mostly from cholesterol, can slow down blood flow and lead to serious problems like heart disease, heart attacks, and strokes. But here's the best part. You have the power to take control. By adding these 7 foods that clean arteries naturally to your diet, you can help reduce the risk and even clear away those troublesome plaques. So, before we dive into these essential foods, could you do us a small favor? Hit that thumbs up to help us spread this vital information. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to Natural Remedies Dose and tap the bell icon. You'll be the first to catch our latest health tips. And stay tuned. At the end of this video, we'll reveal how to get your hands on 2 exclusive free gifts that your heart will thank you for. Trust us, these are not to be missed. Let's jump in. Number 7, leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are not just tasty additions to your meals, they're powerhouse foods for your arteries. Packed with dietary nitrates, these greens help produce nitric oxide, a compound that widens blood vessels and enhances blood circulation. This natural process lowers blood pressure, keeping your heart in top shape. Dark leafy greens are also rich in vitamin K, crucial for preventing calcium buildup in arteries, which can lead to cardiovascular problems. Enjoy these greens daily to nourish your heart and keep your arteries clear. And speaking of heart health, what's next on the list might surprise you with its benefits. Number 6, whole grains. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, and quinoa are vital for arterial health. These foods are not just a great source of energy, they're packed with fiber, which is essential for overall wellness. Specifically, the soluble fiber in whole grains plays a crucial role in reducing LDL cholesterol, often termed as bad cholesterol. This fiber binds to cholesterol particles in the digestive system and helps remove them from the body, which can significantly lower the risk of heart disease. According to a study by the American Heart Association, consuming just 3 servings of whole grains daily can reduce the risk of heart disease by 22%. In addition to fiber, whole grains are rich in essential nutrients like magnesium, which helps regulate blood pressure, and antioxidants that protect against inflammation, a key factor in artery damage. For instance, oats contain a unique antioxidant called avenanthramides, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and anti-atherogenic effects, further promoting cardiovascular health. Up next, we dive into a group of colorful fruits that pack a punch against oxidative stress and inflammation. Number 5, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in the body. Their low sugar content and high fiber content make them ideal for maintaining stable blood sugar levels and promoting overall cardiovascular well-being. The polyphenols found in berries play a crucial role in lowering blood pressure and reducing inflammatory markers associated with heart disease. By incorporating a variety of these colorful berries into your diet, along with dark chocolate, you can naturally support clean arteries while indulging in a sweet treat that is both tasty and beneficial for your heart health. As we move forward, the next item on our list is a nutrient-dense fruit that's as versatile as it is beneficial. Number 4, avocados. Avocados are renowned not only for their delicious taste, but also for their abundance of nutrients that promote heart and artery health. Despite being calorie-dense, avocados contain healthy fats that can improve cholesterol levels by increasing good cholesterol and reducing bad cholesterol. Rich in potassium, these fruits aid in regulating blood pressure and maintaining optimal heart function. Moreover, avocados are a good source of fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes gut health. They also contain lutein, a powerful antioxidant that benefits eye health by protecting against age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Avocados provide a range of vitamins and minerals such as vitamin K, E, C, B6, folate, and magnesium, contributing to overall well-being. While many people believe that occasional indulgence in comfort foods is harmless, The truth about how these foods impact our arteries might surprise you. Comfort foods, often loaded with saturated fats, trans fats, and sugars, can have a cumulative effect on your heart health, even in small amounts. Research has shown that even short-term consumption of high-fat, high-sugar diets can lead to significant increases in arterial plaque. Interestingly, a common misconception is that natural or healthy sugars, like those found in fruit juices or honey, are always harmless. However, these can still contribute to artery clogging processes when consumed in excess. This revelation often sparks heated debates among health enthusiasts, especially when considering the fine line between moderation and excess. As we dive into foods that can help naturally cleanse your arteries, you might find some surprising contenders that challenge these widely held beliefs. This exploration not only reshapes our understanding of healthy foods, but also underscores the importance of a balanced diet in maintaining heart health. Let's uncover these foods and see how they can make a significant difference in keeping your heart and arteries in optimal condition. Number 3, fatty fish. Incorporating fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines into your diet offers significant heart health benefits, primarily due to their rich content of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are crucial for maintaining cardiovascular health, as they help reduce inflammation throughout the body, a key factor in preventing chronic diseases. Omega-3 acids also improve blood vessel function by promoting the flexibility and elasticity of the arteries, which helps maintain proper blood flow and reduces the risk of hypertension. One of the standout benefits of omega-3 fatty acids is their ability to lower triglyceride levels, a type of fat found in the blood that, when elevated, can increase the risk of heart disease. By reducing triglycerides, omega-3 SS help to prevent the accumulation of plaque within the arteries, thus supporting a healthy cardiovascular system. Moreover, omega-3 fatty acids have been linked to a range of other health benefits. They play a role in reducing the risk of arrhythmias, irregular heartbeats, which can lead to sudden cardiac death. Omega-3s also have neuroprotective properties that may improve brain function and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Fatty fish are also an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. They provide essential nutrients like vitamin D, which is crucial for bone health, and selenium, an antioxidant that protects cells from damage. As we dive into the next section, get ready to discover a versatile and crunchy snack that packs a punch in nutrients. Number 2, nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are nutritional powerhouses packed with essential nutrients that are particularly beneficial for heart health. Flax seeds and chia seeds are standout sources of omega-3 fatty acids, making them excellent choices for inclusion in a heart-healthy diet. These seeds are not only rich in omega-3s, but also provide dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. The high fiber content also supports cardiovascular health by binding to cholesterol in the digestive system, preventing its absorption into the bloodstream. A wide variety of nuts and seeds ensures a diverse intake of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all of which contribute to cardiovascular well-being. Walnuts, for example, are particularly high in alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that has been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that protects cells from oxidative damage, and magnesium, which helps regulate heart rhythm. Pumpkin seeds provide a good source of magnesium and zinc, essential for maintaining normal heart function and immune health, while sunflower seeds are rich in selenium, another antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. They also provide a good amount of protein, making them a great option for vegetarians and those looking to reduce their intake of animal products. However, it is important to consume nuts and seeds in moderation, as they are energy-dense foods and can contribute to excess calorie intake if consumed in large quantities. Before we reveal the top food on our list, let's build a bit of suspense. To better equip you in your fight against heart disease, we're excited to offer you 2 incredible free gifts. First, we're giving away our exclusive ebook, 7 Foods That Clean Arteries and Prevent Heart Attacks. This isn't just any list, it's a collection of delicious and heart-healthy foods that help maintain stable blood pressure and support your cardiovascular system. Secondly, you'll gain access to a groundbreaking video, The Shocking Cause of Cardiovascular Disease and What You Should Do Starting Today. This video delves into an ancient signaling molecule that played a crucial role in our ancestors' health. Discover how this nectar of the gods can be restored to enhance your heart health today. It's a must-watch for anyone serious about their well-being. To claim these fantastic free gifts, simply click the link in the description below. Now, let's get back to our countdown and unveil the number one food that is a true champion in naturally cleaning your arteries. Number 1, garlic. Garlic has long been celebrated for its dual role in enhancing the flavor of dishes and supporting heart health. Packed with potent organosulfur compounds like allicin, garlic is a remarkable ally in the fight for cardiovascular wellness. These compounds help lower blood pressure by promoting the dilation of blood vessels and improving blood flow. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming garlic can significantly reduce LDL cholesterol levels by up to 10%, while also increasing HDL cholesterol, thus balancing cholesterol ratios. Garlic's anti-inflammatory properties contribute to maintaining healthy blood vessels by reducing inflammation, a key factor in the development of atherosclerosis, a condition characterized by the hardening and narrowing of arteries due to plaque buildup. Another study published in Atherosclerosis demonstrated that regular garlic consumption can inhibit the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, a crucial step in preventing plaque formation. Whether incorporated into your favorite recipes or taken as supplements, garlic is a versatile and effective way to promote heart health. Additionally, ongoing research continues to unveil new benefits, including its potential to enhance immune function and reduce the risk of certain cancers, solidifying its status as a vital component of a heart-healthy diet. So there you have it, the 7 foods that clean arteries, naturally. Now, we're curious, which of these heart-healthy foods are you excited to try first? Or do you have a favorite we didn't mention? If this video has opened your eyes to new possibilities or reinforced your current health journey, please show your support by hitting that like button, subscribing to Natural Remedies Dose, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you're always in the loop with our latest videos. And for those who want to go the extra mile, our Super Thanks feature is an awesome way to help us keep sharing valuable health tips with you. Before you head out, don't miss out on our 2 exclusive free gifts. Just check the links in the description below. Remember, your health is your most valuable asset. Thank you for watching. Stay proactive, stay informed, and here's to your health.